Ryan descended the ladder, his feet hitting the ground with a soft thud. His mind buzzed and he couldn't stop the smile that tugged at the corner of his lips. They were coming for him. The faintest sound of wind whispered through the ruins, and for the first time in so long Ryan didn't feel the crushing weight of solitude. He had a purpose again. The radio crackled faintly, and he brought it close, listening intently. "We're heading your way," the voice said, calm and steady. "Stay put. We're close." Ryan's heart skipped a beat, and he tightened his grip on the radio. The words had brought a strange sense of comfort, yet his nerves buzzed with anticipation. The wasteland with its crumbling buildings and broken highways felt endless, but now there was a path. A path to something real, to something that could make all of this suffering worth it. He scanned the horizon, searching for any sign of movement, but the world remained still, a desolate painting of grays and browns. As the minutes stretched into hours, Ryan's patience waned. Was he imagining it? Was anyone actually coming? The wind picked up again, swirling dust around his feet. Just as he began to doubt, a shadow appeared on the edge of the distant skyline. A figure small at first, growing larger with each passing second. Ryan's pulse quickened. They were here. He wasn't alone anymore. He had found them.